Começa.
Hi son, that model head is great. Have you almost finished shooting for your movie? Do you want any help with it?
Hi Dad, thanks but I don't need any help with the movie. Well, finish shooting is on Saturday. But there is something that you can feel, just can help me with. I need some information. I want to know about the best way to kiss a girl. What's the right way to do it? I'm worried about this.
When I was 15, I worried about kissing too. But there isn't a right way to kiss a girl, Dawson. You put your lips on her lips. If she likes it and you like it, then you did in the right way. The only information that I can give you is this. When you kiss someone, you mustn't think about anything else. You must empty your mind. And the girl must empty her mind too. It will only be really good when you've had some practice. But there are some simple rules. Try kissing the model head, Dawson. I'll tell you if you do something wrong. Rule 1. Your lips mustn't be dry, Dawson. Make your lips sweat with your own tongue. Very good. When you've had a little practice, you'll be great. Now try that again.
Acabou.